today I'll be building a really cool, quick, simple, and easy woodworking project. And this project only takes about 20 minutes to build. All you need is a miter saw, some sandpaper, and this is very important. You'll also need at least 2 brain cells. So this is just a 1x4x10. You can get these from any big box store. They're around $10 each. So grab a tape measure. So each one of these is 14 inches. At the end, you should have a 6-inch piece right here that's left over. So what I'm going to do is make this a bonus feature so you can sell it for more money. So take your tape measure again, measure at the 3-inch mark right here, and do the same thing right here. Then just trace a line at the 3-inch marks right here. Now I'll just cut out all the pieces using my miter saw. Make sure wear hearing protection unless you want this to be your future. And now the last piece to cut is just this small one right here. And if you're liking this video so far, make sure to go down below and hit the like button. My goal for this video is 2 likes, and I think we can reach it. So first, I'll go over with this 80 grit sandpaper. Then I'll use the 320 grit sandpaper to smooth it out. So once you're done sanding down those, you'll just have this one piece of wood left right here. Now you're probably wondering what this last piece of wood is for. And I'll show you what this is for in a minute. This is a bonus feature, so you don't need to add it, but I recommend it if you want to get more money for this. It's a nice selling feature.
What inspired you to build a second Krusty Krab right next door to the original?
Money!
So this is 3 inches long, so the center of it is at the 1.5 inch mark right here. So I'll mark it right there. So go over on the right here and mark at the 1/4 inch mark, and then do the same thing on this side. And you'll need a hand saw for this part. You can get these on Amazon or at the dollar store even. Now just grab a chisel and chisel this piece out right here. And now it's time for the fun part. And if you're liking this video so far, make sure to like and subscribe for more projects just like this one. Take 2 of your 14-inch boards and make a mark right here. Come down 1 inch and mark right there. And the same thing on the other side. Mark 1 inch going down. And then do the same thing on the next board. Now that all the boards are done and ready, I'll glue everything together using some wood glue. Alright, so just wait for this to dry and then take your next piece and glue it to the side right here. And this is what it should look like so far. Now just grab your top piece right here. I'll show you what this is for when we're done. Just glue it right here to the center. So I'll stain it in this finish right here. Make sure to add a couple coats of this if you want it to be scratch resistant and stain resistant. To make it even cooler, I got these LED lights right here, and you can get these on Amazon for about $5. I'm going to show you what it does now, but first I want to do a quick profit breakdown so you can see how much money you can make from selling these. First of all, you can sell them on Etsy, or you can sell them on somewhere like Facebook Marketplace, or you can sell them at your local markets too. The LED lights cost about $5, the wood costs about $11. That's the price of 2 gallons of gas, depending on where you're at. There's also some wear and tear on the tools you're using, and we also used a little bit of wood stain too, which was about $1 or $2. All in, it's about $20 to build one of these. You can sell these for about $150 to $200 each, depending on the customization people want. It's also multifunctional, so that adds value to the price too. So your total profit would be $130 for each of these. So just selling 10 of these a month would make you over $1,000. So you can see this project is really unique, and if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe for more.